I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja, candidate for the President APPNE. After being elected, I will establish parent support groups, recognizing the unique challenges that come with balancing parenthood and a professional career. I am committed to creating a dedicated network for our members who are parents. This network will serve as a space where incoming and experienced parents alike can connect, share their experiences, exchange practical advice, and offer emotional support. By fostering a sense of community, we aim to empower parents to thrive in both their professional and personal lives, ensuring they have the resources, understanding, and connections necessary to navigate the complexities of parenting while maintaining their career aspiration. Please vote for me in the upcoming election. Thank you very much.